Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick. This week's Quick Pick stock, actually an ADR, is Shimano. I did Shimano back in July 29th. This is an update on that, and one of the reasons to update it is that I like Shimano even more than I did back then. So back in August, remember I said we did the first one in July. So the stock went really up. This is a peak for 2021 back in September. And since then, the reason I like it more now than then is we've come back down and we've been base building right in here for another move up, I think. Also, since that July quick pick, we've seen third quarter earnings come in. Bike components, sales for bike components, and bike components make up about 80% of Shimano's sales. We're up 56% in that quarter year over year. So very solid growth. And one of the things that I also flagged then, which I will try to explain a little bit more, is that the company's decided it's going to move very heavily into electric bicycles, and from there you can go to all kinds of the other electric vehicles that we're talking, electric motorbikes, that I talked about in my last trend of the week. So I was just looking around to see who's using Shimano equipment, and I came across a Japanese company called Orbeck. Their family of electronic assist motorbikes is called Rise. And Rise has a Shimano EP8 motor. It has Shimano hydraulic disc brakes. All these components. Basically what you're seeing is a company moving into what it regards as a burgeoning niche, as I used to say in my early days of covering venture capital, and using its brand name, its recognition as being a high-end component maker to be able to give bike makers moving into the same new market cachet. This is a stock that I own in my long-term 50 stocks portfolio on jubakpicks.com and jubakam.com. And bought it back in July at the point where we did this first quick pick. It's up. It was up about 7.29% since then. As of the close on December 8th, I think we're going to see another leg up. Because remember, we got that big peak and then down, and that's reflected in performance. So I would be looking to buy it right here if I didn't already own it. Okay, if you want more of my stuff, jubakpicks.com is my free site. jubakam.com is my paid site. And we're also running a sweepstakes this week. So find a link to that. You should find a link to that down below. You find a link to all this stuff down below. Enter the sweepstakes. We're giving away 3 year-long subscriptions to my paid site. It'll be a random drawing out of this very hat. Thanks very much for watching.